金翰在美国 Welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, and now today is the day 4 it's day 4, right? It's day 4 in San Francisco, and now I'm on the way to a restaurant called Tasty Pot because I will have a lunch with my Taiwanese friend. And after that, my friends will take me to see the Pacific Ocean. So let's go! Hi, it's me, walking. I have 80 minutes walk to the Tasty Pot. It's maybe around 1 hour walking from my hostel to the restaurant. So I'm just enjoying my day, my time to get. But I think I will get it in time, so it's fine. So let's go!
Say hi 啊，要 say hi 支持。Tasty Pot is a Taiwanese hot pot restaurant in San Francisco. I used to eat hot pot a lot before I came to the States. While eating that, it made me think of Taiwan. There are a variety of options in the restaurant as well. Importantly, there's a special dish called stinky tofu, which is one of the famous food in Taiwan. That is one of the food I miss a lot. Thank you my friend Jamie and her twin sister Nadia for taking me to this wonderful restaurant.
Come on, buddy, let's go!
Hey guys, so now I'm at the bubble tea store. My friends recommend me because she think it's the most delicious bubble tea in San Francisco. So let's check it out.
How喝吗？
A little sweet.
A little sweet.
Hey guys, welcome to Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Welcome to Pacific Ocean.
Oh yeah.
After all that we've been through, I think it's fair from me to you. Watch it burn as we soar away. Hey, hey. After all is said and done, and I know I am the one. I have waited here forever. But all I know is what I'm told. Feeling cannot be controlled. Watch the stars when I am gone.
Hey guys, so it's time to eat. So we are going to eat at the Japanese restaurant. So let's go.
Japantown in San Francisco is a really unique spot for me. I have heard of Chinatown, Koreantown, or Little Italy, but I never heard of Japantown until I visited San Francisco. There are many types of Japanese stores and restaurants. If you are visiting San Francisco, you should definitely visit this beautiful part of the city. Am I right? Yes!
Welcome to Japantown in San Francisco. And now is the season for the cherry blossom, so let's go.
時の声を歌えば星が降り注ぐ夜天の川のほとりかけがえないものを手に奇跡を思い返す迷いと喜びが溢れてあの日から